Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. First I will take this as a base. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select the plane, select circle, create on 38 dia circle, give the dimensions 67 mm, plus 13 mm, select line, create on center line first, convert this as a construction, select line, create sketch like this, give the dimensions 88 mm, here to here 44, this length is 46 mm, here give the horizontal constraint, select line, create line like this, select circle, create two circles here, give the dimensions, this is 38 mm, 19 mm, here to here 19 minus 13, give the constraint here, trim these circles, give the constraint again, this dimension is 19 minus 13, so finish sketch, extrude up to 10 mm, okay, edit this, trim this circle, okay, select this surface, sketch, select line, this dimension is 13 mm, create sketch like this, this dimension is 38 mm, by 2, this is 10 mm, 5, this height is 16, this is 20. So trim this circle. Give the dimension. Select your project geometry, select this circle and this one. So finish sketch, extrude, height is 50 mm. So reduce the height 10 mm, overall height is 50, 40 mm. Next select plane, sketch, create one line here, give the dimension here to here 64 mm. So finish sketch, select rib, select here parallel to the sketch, reverse the direction, thickness we want 10 mm. Okay. Select this surface, sketch, create two circles, give the dimensions, dia 10, here to here, pitch is 50 mm. Here to here 31, (25). So give the constraint here, finish sketch, extrude, through all. Okay. So you can compare, friends. This dimension we need to modify, 46 is there, plus 10 mm we need to add. Go to sketch, edit sketch, 56 mm, 46 plus 13, 59 mm. Next select fillet, 13 mm, select the edges. So now you can compare. All the features are added. If anything is missing, you can leave the comment below, friends. Assign the material here. I will go with stainless steel or steel cast. Assign the polishes. You can see cast iron, there are some polishes will come. Steel cast. like that it will show. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy the session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support my friends.